Repentigny is a provincial electoral district in the Lanaudière region of Quebec, Canada, that elects members to the National Assembly of Quebec. It consists of the municipality of Saint-Sulpice and part of the city of Repentigny. It was created for the 2012 election from part of the L'Assomption electoral district. Members of the National Assembly. Election results. Changes from redistributed results. CAC changes from ADQ. References. External links. Information. Elections Quebec election results. Election results, National Assembly. Election results, Quebec Politique MAPS 2011 map, PDF. 2001-2011 changes to L'Assomption, Flash. Electoral map of Lanaudière region. Quebec electoral map, 2011.